Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI. Did you know that billions of people are vitamin D deficient? Let me show you why I've been loving this one by Coco March. One of the daily vitamins I take, it's this vitamin D3 with K2. This is by Coco March and it's the 10,000 international units. I really appreciate how these vitamins by Coco March don't contain any inflammatory oil but contains extra virgin olive oil. I also like this size, it's super easy to swallow. It's not big, it's pretty tiny. And knowing the benefits of this vitamin D3 with K2 allows me to be constant. And I love how this vitamin K2 with D3 helps direct calcium to your bones. It works better for your health than vitamin D alone. You can definitely choose to take vitamin D3 and K2 separately, but combining it has many benefits. But that's just my point of view.